Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best icing bottles is probably one of the most versatile and creative tools for bakers and cake decorators, allowing you to effortlessly and elegantly apply icing to your cakes, cupcakes, and cookies. In this video, we will explore the top-rated icing bottles available on the market, comparing their features, ease of use, and overall value to help you choose the perfect one for your baking needs. Number 5. Impresa Squeeze Bottles. These bottles are perfect for all your creative needs, from baking to arts and crafts. They're also great for sauces and condiments. It features a pre-cut tip for precise dispensing, but you can easily make it larger if needed. Just snip the tip to your desired size. They're made from BPA and latex-free food-grade plastic, ensuring they're safe and durable. You can squeeze them easily without worrying about breakage. Cleaning is a breeze. Simply wash them with soap and water, or pop them in the dishwasher, top rack only. Avoid microwaving for best results. This pack includes 8 4-ounce bottles, so you'll always have plenty on hand for any project or occasion. Perfect for sharing. What we like? It comes with 8 bottles, so you always have enough on hand. Made from food-grade material, it's safe for your food. If you need a large quantity of bottles for various uses, this is the perfect choice for you, ensuring you always have enough for all your projects and events. What people say. The 4-ounce size is perfect for small batches of dressings and sauces. Keep sauces fresh much longer when you aren't dipping a spoon into them. Sanitary and convenient way to store leftover sauces and dressings, much better than an oversized Tupperware. These bottles are great for your homemade fermented hot sauce. They seem very durable, yet flexible with a good lid. Perfect size. Tops seal well, no leaking. Perfect for small cookie and cake decorating projects. Number 4. Prepworks Frosting Decorating Kit. Get ready to unleash your inner baker. This kit makes cake decorating easier and more fun than ever before. It comes with 2 microwave-safe silicone bulbs. They're perfect for melting chocolate or warming ganache for your creations. With 6 different piping tips, you can create a variety of beautiful designs. From stars to leaves, the possibilities are endless. Each bulb holds 3/4 of a cup and is dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Store the tips inside the bulb for convenient storage. Whether you're decorating cookies, cakes, or cupcakes, it's the perfect tool to add that special touch. Enjoy decorating. What we like? It's microwave safe for easy warming of your icing. It also includes various piping tips for different decorating styles. If you're looking for convenience and versatility in your baking, this is a great option. What people say. Makes piping so much easier. Love that they're easy to clean, as I just toss everything into the top rack of my dishwasher, and they're super easy to use. Highly quality, durable. They are so much easier on the hands than traditional plastic squeeze bottles. It's almost like squeezing a stress ball. They are super easy to fill, refill, empty, clean, and they air dry pretty quickly. They also work with all of my piping tips. Number 3. Sweet Sugarbelle Icing Bottles. These versatile bottles are perfect for all your baking and decorating needs. They make creating beautiful and delicious treats easier than ever before. Flood your cookies and cakes with ease using these uniquely designed bottles. Say goodbye to messy decorating. The coordinating tips allow for precise decorating, letting you create stunning designs on your desserts. It's perfect for adding intricate details. These bottles are designed for easy cleaning, saving you time and effort. Simply rinse them out for quick cleanup. Each set includes 2 4-ounce bottles and coordinating tips, giving you everything you need to get started. You'll have everything you need to decorate. Pair these bottles with other Sweet Sugarbelle products to create even more delicious treats. Expand your baking possibilities. What we like? This set includes 2 bottles and coordinating tips, perfect for different icing consistencies. It's easy to clean, saving you time and effort. If you're looking for a simple, yet effective solution for decorating, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Easy to squeeze, well-made, and just the right size for crafting. They are the perfect size for the amount of cookies I make. They were very inexpensive. The quality makes it easy to squeeze without placing too much pressure on the bottle, and you have control of the tip as to how much icing you want to dispense. These are the best bottles on the market for decorating with royal icing. They are flexible and easy to squeeze for easy flowing icing. Not like the other hard bottles that you have to squeeze hard and mess up your decorating. These bottles have a wide opening so you can pour your icing into the bottle. Not like the other bottles where you have to use a funnel to get the icing into the bottle. These bottles are super easy to clean as the mouth is big and I can get a brush into the bottle. They also come with tips. The best of both worlds. Number 2. Squeeze Rider Bottles. These versatile bottles are perfect for all your decorating needs. Made from premium food-grade materials, they're safe, easy to use, and reusable. They're made of high-quality, safe and hygienic materials. This ensures smooth writing and easy handling during your cooking and baking. The clear bottles let you easily see the contents, and the precision tips give you the control you need for intricate designs. They come in 2 sizes to meet your needs. Simply rinse them with water after each use to keep them clean and prevent clogging. It's that simple. Use them for cakes, cookies, food coloring, or anything you can imagine. They're also great for sauces and condiments. You get 10 bottles in total, 5 1-ounce and 5 2-ounce bottles, each with a different colored cap for easy identification. What we like? You get 10 bottles in total, with a mix of 1 and 2-ounce sizes. The colored caps help you easily identify different icings. If you need a variety of sizes and colors for your projects, this is a great value option. What people say. You can cut the tips of them easily to create whatever size opening you may need for a particular filling. I love the 2 sizes. I also love that each bottle had its own cap. Nothing makes a mess like frosting everywhere if a bottle tips over. I purchased these for gingerbread decorating with kids, ages 5 to 10. They worked perfectly. The kids were able to use these easily. They are a smidge difficult to fill but aren't much more difficult to fill than pastry bags, and are so much easier to use and reuse, as opposed to bags that get tossed after use. Number 1. Freehand Writer Bottles. These bottles are made from BPA-free and biodegradable LDPE plastic, ensuring both safety and a smooth writing experience. They're designed with the environment in mind. You'll receive 6 precision tip bottles, 3 1-ounce and 3 2-ounce bottles, each with a different colored cap for easy identification. Easily adjust the tip size for wider openings or finer details. It's simple to clean, preventing clogging and ensuring long-lasting use. They are perfect for various uses, from decorating cookies and cakes to dispensing sauces and even for cosmetic applications. The possibilities are endless. We stand behind our product's quality. If you're not completely satisfied, contact us. Your happiness is our top priority. What we like? This pack offers 6 bottles, 3 of each size, 1 and 2 ounce, with different colored caps. The adjustable tip allows for precise control. If you're looking for eco-friendly and versatile decorating bottles, this is a great choice. What people say. They worked so well and made decorating fun and easy. My icing went way further, because it wasn't getting stuck to icing bags. The tips are perfect size for details, and the closing lids kept my icing airtight even overnight. No more losing icing from drying out. These are easier to use than bags with tips. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.